Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and gathering essentials. Power off and unplug the machine. Wear an anti-static strap so you avoid damage. Open the case, locate an available PCIe X16 slot, and remove the slot cover. This is the first actionable step. Once the card is seated, connect required 6-pin or 8-pin power cables. Make sure to keep cables tidy for airflow. This prevents thermal issues later. You're now ready to secure the card and move to software setup. With the card physically installed, boot the system and log in as admin. If replacing drivers, use safe mode and a clean install option to avoid legacy conflicts. Run the Nvidia installer, select the driver package matching your GPU, and include GeForce Experience if desired. Once installed, restart and open Nvidia Control Panel, configure display outputs, and set power management to preferred for performance. Make sure to update CUDA or other toolkits for compute workloads. This ensures software and drivers communicate properly and reliably. Finish by validating the GPU. Open Device Manager and confirm the correct model appears. Run a brief stress test to confirm stability. Monitor temperatures and clocks. If temps rise above expected limits, usually keep under 85 degrees, improve case airflow or fan curves. If problems persist, shut down and reseat the card, try a different PCIe slot, or test another power cable. Once done, update firmware and drivers regularly. A single troubleshooting tip. If displays remain black,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.